This video is all about the installation of Windows 11 on non-supported device which actually doesn't support the Windows 11. So what you need to do is you need to create an USB flash drive and insert it into the USB port of your computer on which you are going to install Windows 11. After inserting it, power on your computer and simultaneously pressing the escape key so that you may enter into the boot setup. After entering the boot setup, you will be able to see the name of the USB disk which you have inserted. Entering entering into the USB disk, and you will see there appears the see the USB disk name which you have inserted. And once you click on it, you will enter into the Windows installation setup, where it will ask you to which edition you want to install. After selecting, depending upon your preferences here, in my case it is Asus X507U, and all those devices which doesn't support will work there as well. Here in my case it is home edition because previously it had an operating system of home single edition. So I am going to install the Windows 11 single home edition of Windows 11. Click on that. After clicking, it is saying setup is starting. Once the setup is started, it will start installing the Windows installation file in my computer. It will take some time, and obviously I am going to so before installation of Windows 11, it will ask you where you want to install your Windows 11. Select the drive on which you want to install the Windows 11. Selecting up to your preference which drive you are going to install it on. After selecting it, click on next to allow it to install the files on your computer. It will take some time, and I'm going to skip it. After waiting for some time and after installing the files on the computer successfully, here comes the Windows logo, and here after it says select your region, proceed. Selecting the region, depending upon your region, you can select the one you like and selecting the reference accordingly. It's saying enter your name. You can skip this part and choose your preference. Privacy settings up to your preference. You can choose the one you like. I am choosing according to my preference. After selecting, click on next to proceed, and this might take some moment to continue it. Here it says that this might take some minutes waiting for this to finish. After it after it finishes, here it comes the desktop screen. You can see the Windows 11 has been successfully installed in my computer, and going to the setting to see the edition which I have selected is installed or not. As you can see that Windows 11 Home has been successfully installed in my computer. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. and don't forget to subscribe.